And I was just doing my annual dusting, and I do mean annual, and I realised I've not done a review of my awesome laptop holder. So I have my recreational laptop next to me here, plugged into my monitor through my Twitch device, and I have it here so I can use it whenever. And I have it placed on this little laptop stand. And when I first bought it, I was a bit sceptical it was going to be strong enough, the right size, all that stuff. But it is absolutely really good. First of all, I've got it in the right zone and the right space. And it is, look, I'm putting pressure on that. It is a lot to move that. It is a lot to move it. And then you can tighten up the screws if you want to keep things in position. So you can see there, if you want to make it tighter. But I've never had an issue with that. You just move it around however you want to do it, and you would put your laptop in there, flip it open, and you would have it open so you can type on there if you want to, and have a space underneath there. Let me show you what that looks like. And here we go. This is my Legion Lenovo 5, I think. Enormous stickers. And yeah, it just sits on there perfectly. As you can see, it is a big boy. It's a solid, you know, mature laptop, and it sits on there perfectly. And yeah, you've got this extra space under here, so if I wanted to put my keyboard under there to keep it snug, because I do have a Bluetooth keyboard, because I just find it a little easier. You've got that there, or you can just reach over, of course, and type on there and use your mousey pad as much as you like. It's a really, really nice way to keep it separate if you are like jumping between monitors, jumping between multiple laptops. It's a really handy way to have a good little setup, keep it all elevated and tidy, and there you go. Oh, and you can just close it there, and it sits very smartly on your desk. Keeps the air underneath your laptop, which is really, really important, particularly when it's getting a bit warm. Give it a good aeration. But yeah, it's done everything I expected to do, and it looks really smart and it's very solid. So I'm really chuffed with this purchase.